This is a 2011 Nissan Frontier. It has a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a locking rear differential, skid plates, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, a spray-on bed liner, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, a full-size spare tire, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this truck qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Schreier Automotive is located at 6524 L Street in Omaha. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.